Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So we are back here with George's Toyota MR2 5th Gen 3S GTE, now manual. So we've done quite a few different things to this motor. What we're going to be doing today is going to be focusing on the smaller little things that George wanted to get done. We have like one of the door insert bottom portions of the doors. We're going to change those out. We got ball joints, RCAs. We're going to do all that stuff today and try to get those things done and out of the way so then we don't have to worry about them later. So guys, let's just jump into today's episode and let's get working on this Toyota MR2. Let's go. All right, I think first what we're going to be doing is focusing on the RCAs and the ball joints. So I did juice, let me see, I'm going to try to turn on the light. I did juice these bad boys up because, as you can see, they seem pretty rusted, but I'm hoping that everything comes out nice and smooth. I juiced that bad boy up too, just so then we can get that out. Let's look on this end, and I'll show you that I also juiced these guys up too. I juiced that up, and I juiced that up too, all the way down here as well, just so then it can hopefully come out easily. I do have the ball joints right around here. As you see, the pile of George's stuff is getting smaller and smaller. We do have the axles to the E51 transmission. We'll be talking about that once we get everything together and settled for this transmission to be ready to be put in, because I'm still missing some parts. We're still gathering a couple things together. So as you see, the parts grow on this dolly. So as we collect parts, once we have everything, then I will make a nice a little video on it and talk about it a little bit more. But these are the axles. I had to get 2 pair of axles, I guess, if that makes sense, 2 pair of axles to make a pair of axles. So that's in here. We'll talk more about that later, but we got that. We got the TCS exhaust. This is going to be a nice one because I want to hear it on the 5th Gen 3S GTE. It's going to be great. You guys are going to have to stay tuned for that one. But guys, let's just jump into it because let's just do it. Let's just jump into it and let's get this done. Let's go. All right, I just cut to the chase. I torched it. It came out. So I'm super excited that it's out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this time to cool down. I'm going to go ahead and move to the other side, kind of do the same thing to the other side. And let's get this, let's get the driver's side ball joint out so then we can start installing the new ones, guys, with the RCAs. So let's go. All right, everybody, as you guys can see, we took out the front ball joints. So these things were toast. So we got some brand new ones. And as you guys can see, this is nice and clean and popped off. That torch works phenomenal. I did message George to let him know he's going to need some tie rods because that's sexy. But let's go look at the other side. Same thing kind of with the other side. Everything came out real nice and clean. Same thing for this tie rod. This tie rod doesn't look the best. But I let him know. Let's see what he says. But let's go ahead and grab the new ones. See the difference in how the new ones look versus the old ones. We are also going to add some RCAs, roll center adjusters, to help with any like bump steering and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. But check out these versus those. Yeah, those are pretty beat up versus these. So we're going to go ahead and install these on both ends and go ahead and install the RCAs as well. We're going to go forward and do that and wait on the tie rod to see what George says. Hey everybody, so what you guys seen me do was install some RCAs and some ball joints on George's Toyota MR2 5th Gen 3S GTE swap. So for that, guys, we are pretty much done. It was a pretty simple install. What we're going to be doing in the next episode is really much setting everything up so then I can have it sitting well. Like I like setting things up, lifting the back end as high as I can, just so then I can then sit the motor right under there, as if I was going to just drop the motor. I like doing things in steps and making it all fit right. That's not going to be completely what we're going to be doing in the next episode. We still have the intercooler that we have to put back. Like I took it out just because I wanted to do some better fitment on it. And I am missing some bolts, so I do want to make sure I get those bolts in before I do put in that intercooler. But for the most part, I just want to start setting everything up as if I was going to put the motor in, guys. And then we're going to talk about the E351 transmission and all the axles and stuff. I'm going to get a little bit deeper into that, and we'll go from there, though. But it's going to be on the next episode, guys. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Thank you again, guys, for watching. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers, guys. Thank you for commenting. If you guys have any comments or anything you guys can suggest as far as videos go, put a comment down below, guys. I really appreciate it. Again, check out the Nasty Addiction Garage LLC merch store. We have a merch store and we have a parts store. It's all within the same website, guys, so go check it out. All right, peace until next time.